My name is Dylan. I work with French Quarter Phantoms. I am a master storyteller here. At French Quarter Phantoms, we have a number of different tours we do.
Your tour is led by not just a guide, but a master storyteller. And each guide's tour is a little different. Our guests come in all shapes and sizes, but they've all got one thing in common. They want the best tour in New Orleans.
Our most popular tour is the Ghost and Vampire Combo Tour. It leaves 7 days a week at 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., rain or shine. It's good for all ages. Really, it's just a walk around the French Quarter. You get to go to some of the places you normally wouldn't know to go to in the French Quarter.
We also do a music tour. We do tours of the historic Treme. We have a number of other cemetery and history tours. We even do a paranormal investigation tour now of St. Vincent's Infants Asylums.
I've been a French Quarter Phantoms tour guide now for 4 years, and cemeteries are my jam. St. Louis No. 1 Cemetery is one of our most popular tours, and it's certainly my favorite tour to give. St. Louis No. 1 Cemetery is listed on the National Register of Historic Places and is the oldest continuously operating cemetery anywhere in the United States.
I stop at the Suburban Orleans Hotel, which, fun fact, is the most paranormal investigated building in all of New Orleans. I have a personal story of something that happened to me inside. I felt very sick to my stomach, and I remember trying to brush something off of my left elbow because I could feel fingertips going in a circle around my left elbow, individual fingertips.
French Quarter Phantoms has received numerous awards, both from the city and other levels. We were voted top 10 in the world for ghost tours by TripAdvisor. Very proud of that. Our actual box office is located inside the Voodoo Lounge. Our tour guests get 2-for-1 hurricanes, famous New Orleans drink, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Our goal is to show you a good time and keep the history and culture and life of New Orleans alive.
So, lots of spooky stuff, lots of crazy history to talk about here in New Orleans.